Viewers, welcome to today's weekly outlook or a preview. So today's outlook will be based on two things, the technical and the fundamental part, which is the leading aspect of the market. Okay, so since we're expecting fundamental and the FOMC is coming likely on Wednesday of this week, so since we're expecting that, which can what weaken US dollar. So if US dollar will be weakened, that means we'll be expecting what US dollar to be going lower. That does not mean it will move far. It will move once. So until there's what a technical analysis or a confirmation that is backing up that fundamental, we don't take the trade. So one thing is simple. We have fundamental, we have what technical side of it. So each of them must work hand to hand, or they must work together to give us what a clearer view. All right, because if technical analysis only is the one you're using, or fundamental alone, it can what, except you're using it for maybe scalping or something like that for the technical part, right? But if you're using for long term, you won't be what very sure of the side you're expecting market to what to go. So since we're expecting this now, so we expect market to give us what? Based on FOMC, if they cut interest rate by 50 BPS, we're expecting market what? To trade lower. So we are the our area of interest. We expect market to what? To react from. So we have the first area, we have what is support level. Okay, so even if market decide to break this low, this is a support level. If you give us what a reason to buy, we buy into this range before we see lower dollar based on the main interest rate. But if that did not happen, we can see price what rallying to the upside from here, which we will look into on each one time frame. So here we have what resistance level, the last resistance level that created low, right? Why we have intermediate resistance level right here. This resistance level right here did not create any low, right? So, but it's still what a resistance level, and market is already what reacting from it last week. So we go lower, daily time frame. On daily time frame, we see how price reacted from this what resistance level and traded into this new support level. So this is where price is currently. On H1 time frame, which is this, we have this current range. So we have this level, okay? We have this level. Market is what going down now. So we have this level where price can give us what a reason for what a buy. Right? On this time frame, you see that this is what a clear support level where price is rejecting from, right? A clear support level. And we have a sharp movement down right here, and the reason for us to expect what a buy move. So in terms of my in terms of technical analysis and fundamental analysis, I expect at least for price to give us what on Monday, for price to give us what a little movement to the upside, right? So you can also have what expect market what sell from this what resistance level. All right, so we have this area. If market give us a reason to sell here, we sell, or here. Okay, so these are our two major view in terms of technical and fundamental view on the XY. So let's look at BTC before we go on. So on BTC, from our last weekly outlook, we had a market. We expect market to what to give us what a buy, which market has given us now. Market has broken this high currently. Okay, I've gotten what a short-term minor break of structure right here. Okay, on this daily time frame on BTC. Since we have gotten this daily break of structure right here, so this means we can see BTC soaring higher, likely this external liquidity. But before that, we have what a clear imbalance right here. Okay, so we have a clear imbalance right here. So the reason why we expect this area to hold, all right, the reason why we expect this area to hold is mainly technical analysis. That is what a clear imbalance, and we have what a short-term break of structure right here. Okay, short-term break of structure right here. So this can work price down lower, right? So if that area push price down lower, so if that area push price lower, we will see price creating a lower low on this BTC. So that is that on this BTC. But before that, if market did not do that, if interest rate based on that, and if USD become weak against BTC and BTC is currently gaining momentum, so we see price what creating a higher high on BTC. So that is that on BTC. So let's look at gold. And the same thing, gold is bullish, all right, clearly bullish. I don't think there's anyone expecting to be bearish yet now. Okay. So, but based on the current structuring, this is our current structuring, and we have what a sharp movement. So, since we have the sharp movement, so on H1 time frame, we can now look for what a short what downtrend. So the last structure range on H1 is this. So if market break this low, do it depend on how market break it, I will update on my Telegram channel. If market break it without a clear reason for us to buy or a sharp momentum to the downside, breaking structure against it. So market do something like that, kind of like a sharp movement to the downside and break structure to the upside like this, we expect market to reach higher high. But if market did not do something like that, we can expect gold to be bearish downside. Okay, so we expect gold to be bearish. Now the bearish I expect gold will be just be only for a short term. Okay, it will only be for a short term, just to create what a back and expect what higher high. But overall on gold, I'm expecting what a buy continuation on gold. So making this area good level for one to look forward a possible buy setup on this area. Okay, so this is our current H1 structure movement or current structure range on gold. So that is that on gold, and that is all on the technical part. So on the fundamental part, looking at okay, let's use our forest factory. So since we have a forest factory right here, we have on Monday we have this news, low impact news, high impact news, and I believe so. Some major news that will likely come into play. One is Chef have PPI, right, which is an important news, even if it's a low impact news. And based on forecast, they're expecting what a positive on it. And if Chef, based on their last interest rate or monetary policy, if we have what it if it is in line with Chef now, that can what strengthen Chef a little. Right. Arrow this week, arrow is what? Let's say it's not that strong, it's not that weak. Right? Even if they cut interest rate, which is fine, but it's not that strong, it's not that what? Weak. That's arrow. So if you can see that are weaker than arrow or stronger than arrow, you pay it, you know how you can what navigate the market for the week. We have card coming up, CPI coming up on card. So this is the news that that is their central bank do monitor against what for interest rate cut or interest rate hike. So you can what look into this. You can also what monitor this news. Know if card will be weaker or stronger against the next upcoming interest rate policy or monetary policy. So these are some of the major news we have. On Wednesday, we'll have what FOMC by 7 a.m. So everyone we also have a GDP news on New Zealand, right? GDP news quarter by quarter. And this is an important news, right? So you can pay it with what last interest rate. I also have another news here, UD, employment change and unemployment rate. So you can monitor this. We also have monetary policy on GDP on Thursday. This is what important news. MPC office bank rate vote. All right. We also have this news on GBP on Thursday. So this week we have what some important news that can what move the market. On Friday, we also have what news on what monetary policy statement on GPY. We'll have some major news this week, right? This is card also this week. So these are some of the major news we'll have for the week, and that is all for this week. All right. So I wish you all good luck and good training for the week. So okay.